Hey everyone, welcome back to Effect For You channel. Today, we are going to create lyrics video effect, like this.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone. Voices like a mountain song, sing you are my only one. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood, but life can be this good.
So let's get started. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. As usual, first we need to create a new composition, and this is our main comp. Then create one more composition. This is our audio comp. Change the duration according to your audio. Drag your audio file into the timeline. By the way, if you want the same audio, so you can find the link in the description. Select the audio layer and press L twice on your keyboard to show waveform. I want to trim the audio where our lyrics start, so that we don't waste our time.
If I had
Now go to main comp and drag the audio comp into the timeline. Now create again new composition. This is our placeholder comp. Here I have two footage, so drag the footage into the timeline, but you can add any of your video and image here. Resize footage according to the comp. And move when our first video footage ends. Cool. Now go to main comp and drag placeholder comp into the timeline. Now create new black solid layer. Change mode normal to multiply. And also change the opacity around 30%. Now our text will be clearly visible in comp. Now here I have lens dust image, so drag the image into the timeline, and change mode normal to screen. Increase the size little bit. Now press P for position. Hold Alt key and click on stopwatch icon, and apply wiggle expression. Here you can see. Cool. Now drag the lens effects footage into the timeline, and change mode normal to screen. Perfect. Now drag the second lens effects into the timeline, change mode normal to screen, and move the layer when first lens effects ends. Duplicate the both lens effects and move forward. Similarly, you can cover the whole timeline. Now drag dust footage into the timeline, and change mode screen. Hit T for opacity and change the opacity around 50%. Perfect. Similarly, you can duplicate the layer and move forward. Now we need to add our lyrics. So create a new composition. I call this text preset 1. Select text tool. Copy your lyrics. and paste it here. Align text center of the comp. By the way, if you want the same font, so here you can see which font I am using. Now we need to animate this. So open text layer. Go to animate, and select position, scale, skew, and rotation. Now change the X and Y position like this. X position around 550, and Y position 500. Skew around 30. Skew axis around 30 degree. And rotation 50 degree. Now change the scale 0%. We don't need this range selector 1, so delete them. Now go to Add and select Expression. Open Expression Selector. Here I have expression. Copy the expression. Hold Alt key and click on Amount stopwatch icon. And paste your script here. Perfect, it's look good to me. Now duplicate the animator 1. Change the position X around -20. And Y position -30. Skew around -50. Skew axis 0. And rotation around 100 degrees. Now we need to add tracking. And change tracking amount around -60. Then add blur. And blur amount 30. Here you can see the blur effects. Perfect. Now again duplicate the animator 2. Open animator 3 and delete all these things except position and blur. Then add opacity. Change X and Y position around 5. And increase blur amount around 50. We don't need this expression, so delete them. We need to add range selector. So go to Add Select Range. Go to around 4 to 5 second forward. We need to add our outer animation. So open Range Selector 1. Add a keyframe on Offset, and change Offset amount 100%. Then go to View Frame Forward. And change Offset amount 0%. Also change the opacity 0%. You can adjust the position according to your choice. Increase the space between both keyframe, and ease them. Perfect, it's look good to me. Now again duplicate the animator. Open animator 4, delete range selector 1. Also delete the opacity and blur. And change the X and Y position around 3. Now go to Add and select Wiggly. Open Wiggly Selector 1. And change the wiggles per second around 5. Here you can see I think weekly amount 3 is good to me. Cool. Perfect, it's look good to me. You can adjust the outer animation anytime according to your lyrics. Now duplicate the text layer. Select the bottom text layer, and search Roughen Edges effect. Change border around 30. Here you can see. Also change the scale around 10. Then search Fill Effects. And change the color as you like. Then search CC Vector Blur Effect. And change Type Constant Length. And amount around 50. Now search Echo Effect. Now we need to animate the echo, so go to first frame, and add a keyframe on number of echoes, and change amount 5. Then go to last keyframes on offset, and change the number of echo 0. We also need to animate the opacity, so press Shift T for opacity, and add a keyframe on opacity, and change opacity amount 0%. Then go to first frame and change the opacity 100%. Cool. Now go to main comp and drag the text preset comp into the timeline.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone.
I think we should adjust the outer keyframes of text preset. You can also adjust the keyframes according to your lyrics.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing.
Cool. Here we need to annex lyrics, so duplicate the text preset one layer, and move forward where our second lyric will come. Now go to project window and duplicate the text preset comp here. Hold Alt key and replace with the duplicate text preset 1 comp layer. Now open text preset 2 comp. Now we need to change our both lyrics text, so copy your lyrics, and paste it here. Go to main comp, let's see how it looks.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with.
I think I need to move the second layer a little bit.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone.
Perfect, it's look good to me. Now you can also add some shape elements according to your choice, so select Pen tool, and create a random line shape like this. Open Shape Layer and add Trim Paths. Open Trim Paths, and add a keyframe on start and end amount 0%. Then go to View Frame Forward, and end amount 100%, and start amount also 100%. Select both start keyframes and move forward little bit.
tongues.
You can adjust the keyframes. Now trim the layer from both sides, because we don't need extra part.
If I had 1,000 tongues.
Cool. Similarly, you can create another line shape. We need to apply the same animation, so select the first shape layer, press U to show keyframes, copy the keyframes, and paste it on second shape layer. Trim the extra part of the layer.
Had 1,000 tongues. Tongues.
Perfect. You can adjust the keyframes according to your choice. Similarly, you can add another shape like this. Now if you need to add some other shape elements, so you can download AE Juice Pack Manager. It's absolutely free. You can find the link in description. Here you can see lots of preset, but these are paid preset, if you really need this, so you can buy them. Here you can find some free stuff. Open Starter Pack. Here you see some free shape elements, select any element and click Import. Now you can adjust the shape, according to your choice. This is all depends on you how to adjust the elements in your project. I am just showing you an example.
Had 1,000. Tongues. I had 1,000 tongues.
Cool.
If I had 1,000 tongues.
Similarly, you can add some more elements for your next lyrics. I am skipping this part so that you don't have to wait. Let's see how it looks.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone.
Perfect, it's look good to me. You can also change the color of black layer. So apply fill effect, and change the color as you like. Now create an adjustment layer. And search curves effect. Adjust your curves according to you. Now create new black solid layer. Then search CC Jaws effect. Increase completion around 82%. And height 0%. This will give letterbox effect. We can also add wiggle expression in text position. So select text preset layer, hit P for position, hold Alt and click on stopwatch icon, and type wiggle expression. Paste the same expression on second text layer. Trim the extra part of the layer. You can also adjust your footage as you like.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone. If I
Perfect, it's look good to me. Our animation has done. Hit 0 for ender.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone.
Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video, so please, like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. For more tutorial, I'll see you in the next video.